Are you a student tired of being not able to fulfill your financial desires and depends on parents and others for every financial support? It's humiliating and frustrating, right? But what if I told you that there are 5 golden income methods that could turn your free time into full-on cash flows without begging for your parents or waiting for a job? They are not just a side hustles, they are smart hustles. And guess what? Anyone with a smartphone and internet can start it today. First up, digital product selling. You can sell digital products like ebooks, resume templates, or budget planners, or even a digital art on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and etc. No inventory, no shipping, pure profit. People are earning from $10K to $100K by just making a digital product and selling it again and again. You can start digital product selling by just learning the basics in 3 to 5 days, and once you know the way, you will start making money in no time. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion for speeding up the process with efficiency and automation. Why does digital product selling? Because you just need to make it once and sell forever and earn forever. Second method is short form content creation. Short form content creation is booming. You can earn from reels, collaboration, and even you can make a content for others. You can use tools like CapCut, InShot, and Opus Clip to edit videos because these are very easy to use and you need just only 2 to 3 days of video editing experience to master them. You can earn up to $150 to $100K from brand collaborations, AdSense, sales, and many more. And the best part is that you just need 1 day to start. You just have to need a basic skills like creativity, public demand and supply, trends observation. You can grow your own brand or manage others. Third method, help local business go online. Every beauty parlor, salon, gym, restaurant needs an online presence. Help them to get on a Google Maps, create their Instagram account, create their Facebook pages, and manage them. You can easily earn up to $100 to $300 per client, and it will take only 3 to 4 days to learn the basic and start getting your clients. You can use toolkits like Canva, Wix, Google My Business, AI, and many more. Why does it rock? Because it has low or no competition plus high demand equals to easy cash flow. And the fun fact is India has over 63 million small businesses and only 40% of the businesses are online. So the opportunity is huge awaiting for you. Method number 4. Learn Facebook ads and run them for a small brands and businesses. Businesses and brands spend thousands on ads, but they need a skilled people to manage them. But very few skilled ad managers are present in the market which can fulfill their needs. But you can become one of the best ad managers and earn up to $100 to $5,000 per client. And it is quite easy to learn Facebook ads, and it will only take up to 1 week to learn it. It is one of my best source of income methods because it is a performance based plus scalable. Last but not least, social media management. Love scrolling YouTube, Instagram, X, but what if there is a way to get paid for it? Social media management is the skill which makes it real. Manage content calendars, post reels, engage with followers for brands or creators, and get paid for it in lakhs. A small level freelancer social media managers earn up to 5K to 10K a month per client per brand. So you can guess the level of income you can generate from this one skill only. It will take up to 2 to 3 days to get started and can take 1 week approximately to get your first client if done perfectly. Tools you can use like Canva, Buffer, and many more. It is one of the best methods for a student with a knowledge of social media and a zero investment to get started in their financial freedom journey. And the fun fact is that the social media managers are the one of the highest demanded freelancers role today. So if you found any one of these ideas helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your student friends who needs to see it. Drop a comment on which method should I make a dedicated video with a step-by-step process explaining everything with a start to end and with all the toolkits and resources. If I get enough comment on a specific method, I will as soon as try to make the video. Subscribe for more smart income hacks. Stop procrastinating and start earning.